I'm Kevin Muilenberg. I'm the Director of Missions for the South Central Baptist area that involves two associations, the Gonzales and Gamero Associations.
And I'm Kelly Muilenberg, and I'm his wife.
For me, coaching was interesting because it starts off with what do you want to accomplish? So that was good to help you articulate really some of the things you're wanting to get to. So that was helpful to have somebody to talk that through. And then once Misty helped me identify some things, it was helpful for those really to be front burner on my radar. So that was real helpful for me. And I guess one of the highlights of the deal was monitoring my progress and having Misty remind me that I was making progress even though I didn't feel like I was in some areas.
Yeah, for me, it was eating healthier and coming up with a routine for my daily walk with the Lord, just to have, and she helped me kind of implement some practical ways to kind of set those goals. And then also she recognized that I needed help with the sleep thing. So, so the eating healthy for us is, I kept telling her, I said, it's easy when we eat at home. That's the easy part, because when I buy groceries, I buy the health things, and she says to stay in produce, so we did. And I got a lot of stuff out of produce and enjoyed that, to just get to try new things in the kitchen and eat healthier, and that's been pretty easy for us.
For me, I'm on the road a lot, so I'm in small towns where your choice is pretty much a taqueria or fast food. And so she helped me think through some of those things. I could do some fast food eating options. That helped me a great deal. When Ben gave us the opportunity to be involved in this, we were excited about it because we needed some help in those areas of physical fitness and eating and diet, exercise, those kind of things. So we just took advantage of the opportunity, especially because it was free and it was offered to us. When it came to the sleep, improving my sleep habits, and I think this worked for Kelly too, she encouraged us to turn off the electronics an hour or more before we go to bed and to spend that last hour reading something. So that's helped both of us, I think, with the nighttime routine.
Yeah, and I'm not a reader, so when I started the reading routine, it helped not having internet for 4 months after we moved into our new home. That really kind of got me in the habit of reading something at night, especially right before I went to bed. But under this initiative, she really tried to help us realize that we need to be going to bed earlier, relaxing before that, and getting our minds, bodies ready to just relax. And so reading really did that, especially if we start a little earlier than normal at night.
Yeah, one other thing, thinking about together, is that we've been walking more together because we're counting those steps. We didn't get in on the contest, long story there, but anyway, that's been something that's been helpful for us. So let's get out there and get some steps on our Fitbits.
That's true.
So that's time together. Time to spend
time together and time with our dog.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been good. I had a very important friend die during the process. And I remember Misty was just really, really encouraging to me, because I felt like I had just blown everything. All of my goals were just out the window. And she was just very gracious and said, life happens. And during those times, you do what you can do. If you can get out and walk. If you can't, then if you need to stay in bed all day, then that's what you do. Because it's a temporary thing. So that was it was just very encouraging. Having her just kind of walk me through that, and what are things I could do daily, just little bitty steps of getting out of bed in the morning. And that was a big step during the first week of this loss in my life. And she was just very patient with me and encouraging, and just whatever I can do, that's what you do, and that's what you focus on, and you get excited about the little steps that you take. And so that's what she did for me during that one specific time.
But man, I would encourage anybody who has opportunity to take advantage of this, because it can really be life-changing. And the thing about it is, small incremental steps have made a big difference.
Yeah, I remember the first time I met with her. I can't remember what I said. I said something about baby steps. I said, baby steps. And she just laughed. And she said, that's exactly right, though. You have to, it's baby steps. That's what, every little step makes a difference, and it all progresses. So it's really good.